I'm gonna tell you how I really, let me show you how I really feel. This is how I really feel. You heard of Luke Skywalker, right? When I put this in my hands and I can think about what I can do on site, I feel like Luke. Either let the force be with us. Boom, Ronin S2 on deck. We just got a new shipment in. I'm pretty sure it's the new Ronin. The boys are gonna be excited about it. We're gonna put that mask up. Let's go get it, see what it looks like, see what we can do. Come on. New features, new features. Cars are smarter than I'll ever be. Always new gear, always new technology. Gear's always being replaced, updated, new gear's coming out. In keeping production at the height of its game and making sure we got the best out. You know, we're always investing in new pieces of camera equipment, in this case, new gimbal equipment, audio equipment, whatever it is, to make sure that our clients' product is top of the line. It's the best, it's the professional shit. We hold our product to a very high standard, and making sure that we got the best in lighting, audio, camera gear, whatever it is extremely important. So right now I'm working on an updated script for a landing page, INDIRAP Social Club landing page. This is something that, you know, we put out a paid ad, someone clicks that paid ad, they go to our landing page and they see this video. Lydia wrote this initial script. I'm kind of going back and putting in some of that INDIRAP sales messaging, sales copy kind of a situation, rewriting it. You know, I wrote it on my computer. I always print it out and kind of just walk around and say it out loud so I can hear what it actually sounds like, and if that messaging is coming off, what kind of intonation and delivery I need to have on certain words, all that kind of shit, make sure it flows. And then once I finalize this, which I'll be doing this today, we go and shoot it and knock it out. I love constructive criticism. Everything I do, I always ask people, what do you think about this? Is this trash? Is it good? Does it suck? So I always ask him, you know, Deepu's our director of marketing here. I always ask him because, you know, when we do put out ads, he's the guy that's coming and saying like, hey, this is working, this isn't working, these are the metrics. You need to update this doesn't work. So again, I run this stuff past my creative director, I run this past my copywriters, I run this past my director of marketing, whoever. The more feedback, the better. I'm gonna let Paul do the honors here. There it is, that's a good one. As he's doing this, you know, we have one's out on site. We've got two of these. These are the original Ronin S's. We use these daily for just gimbal work, but a lot of property tours. You know, it's kind of our daily driver for that type of shit. I had the original Ronin, the big boy. We got the M right here. We got a case that nobody's gonna use. That's cool. A lot of shit up in here, huh? Handle. How's that feel? Is it better than the other one?
Well, it's shorter.
It's shorter. Let me see that shit.
That's metal.
That's the original. This won't break like the other. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Hear that? No, that's where the magic happens, right in there. You got carbon fiber on deck. You got that beautiful red. And where's the screen? You got the screen on deck, LCD screen, touch screen for settings, all that stuff like boom, boom, boom.
Focus wheel.
Yeah, you don't have to keep running back into the app. You don't have to buy, you know, there used to be an external screen attachment you could buy, all that kind of shit.
It's got locks.
Technology, man. Let's see. That feels like somebody important. Let's see, let's move. What?
Feels so clean.
It's legit. Oh shit, look, you can lock this and you don't need that fucking strap no more. Yeah. So now you can just unlock this. Yeah. That's what's up. This